you're working in multiple jobs, struggling with health, have no time for family and relationship, and yet is still hardly getting by, do not let what happened to me from happening to you. My name is Regina. I was born in the Philippines and live in Canada with my children and husband. I am a daughter and my mother lives in the Philippines. I started working as a caregiver abroad and I have been a caregiver for over 30 years since then. My story is similar to yours. I have worked hard and struggled to juggle multiple jobs. My health went down the hill and we could not get ahead, even if I have two jobs. If you are going through similar pain I went through, over the years, if you continue neglecting your health and family, it could take a toll on you and your loved ones. Working hard alone does not mean success. In fact, it is the hardest way of earning a living. The big blow was when my mother got sick and I broke apart. I could not see her because I could not afford the ticket to fly home to the Philippines. I was in the darkest time of my life. So I turned to the internet for help. I'm looking for a third job and I was also creating my website just like most people do nowadays. I found a similar advertisement inviting me to learn how to build my own business online. I was very excited but skeptical because I did not know if I can do this. I have no online business experience, no social media follower, and I am not good in English. I became a proud business owner. And soon after that, I was able to go back to Philippines, see my mom. I was able to pay for my ticket and medical expenses and other expenses related to that. Then after that, I took 4 months of vacation. Now I am no longer working in multiple jobs, no more stressful work, no longer struggling financially. We can now afford to pay for car repairs, replace our old appliances, pay bills, and still have savings to travel to enjoy living life. I am no longer working just to pay bills. I am living a better quality life. Watch the complimentary workshop because you are not here to work just to pay bills, because you want to work less and still earn more, because you want to have a vacation lifestyle, stress-free work environment, because you want to provide a brighter future and leave a legacy to your children. These are only few life-changing benefits of this business. To preview how to start an online business is free at www.embracingabundanceglobally.com. In addition, you will meet many more people in the workshop and you are going to meet them and hear their stories. If you're worried because you have no online business experience, are not tech savvy and want a better quality of life and are willing to learn, this workshop is for you. I believe in you. You can do this. It can change your life. Because just like you, thousands more of our members and I started with no experience. We're not tech savvy. We needed help. We can do this business successfully with step-by-step training, one-on-one mentorship and coaching, and community support. Take this chance. You are watching me for a reason. You found me for a reason. You know you want to have a better life and you know you need help. Register to build your business using our Thrices system at www.embracingabundanceglobally.com.